Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to make 5 easy and attractive bookmarks. We will make teddy bookmark, bunny bookmark, watermelon bookmark, cute smiling bookmark, and unicorn bookmark. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get the direct updates. First we will draw the outline for the teddy bear, for which we will draw a line of approximately 10 cm. Now we will draw a round shape for the teddy bear face. We will draw the ears and small tiny legs as shown. We will cut out the shape and draw the eyes, nose, mouth and hands. By using the paper cutter, we will carve out the hands outline as shown. This will act as page holder. Our first bookmark is complete. For the next bookmark, we will take a square sheet and do some simple foldings as shown in the video. To make ears, we will take a small sheet and draw a drop shape. We will cut out the shape and our ears are ready to be installed on the face of bunny. Now draw the face features such as eyes, nose and mustaches. Our bunny bookmark is ready. Now for the watermelon bookmark, the initial folding part is exactly the same as of the bunny bookmark. Now we will cut it in cone shape. After that, we will carve out the strips for pasting on the watermelon bookmark. We will paste the circles to make eyes and will sketch the seeds. Our watermelon bookmark is ready. Now we will jump onto the cute smiling bookmark. After cutting, we will do folding and pasting. Now make eyes, eyelashes and cute blushing cheeks. We will cut out a small flower to decorate our cute smiling bookmark. Last but not the least is our unicorn bookmark. So let's get started. We will do some basic foldings. The same can be followed from the video. Now on the head, we will paste unicorn horn made from silver foil. We will also paste the ears on both the sides. We will do the finishing such as face features and outlining to complete the unicorn bookmark. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.